we've come to you today with something special and exciting.
Yeah.
It is a new pattern release. So it's our first skirt pattern of this year.
Yeah.
First
skirt pattern for a while.
Yeah, it has actually. That's true. Yeah, I forget. Probably about a year ago was the Xanthi.
Yeah. Two years?
Oh gosh, okay.
Oh,
so we haven't had a skirt pattern in a while, so we've got a new skirt for you. And it is also a pattern that's going to be joining our vintage collection. So we haven't released a sort of a vintage pattern for a while, which is what we started as, So Over It, as you might remember. Because we think this Harriet skirt has a very 1950s vintage style.
Yeah.
So yes, introducing you to the Harriet skirt.
Welcome, Harriet.
She's joining our collection.
I'm going to grab this one from the hanger.
Yes, you can see more features.
Yeah, so talk you through the details.
Yeah, so Jemima's going to talk you through more of the specific details.
Design
of the
details.
skirt.
Yeah. So she is a wrap skirt.
Mm-hmm.
She's got these
So it's a full wrap skirt.
full wrap
isn't it?
skirt. Yeah, so you can see, actually it's good to have it on the hanger because you can see how much coverage you have there. And the really interesting, kind of the most interesting part of Harriet is these really cool inseam welt pockets, which just elevates the pattern a little bit.
Yeah. And I just want to make it known, look how big the pockets
big the
are.
pockets are.
Look at the pocket bag.
What did you say you could fit in
You
there?
could fit a Kindle in there.
If you so wish.
If you so wish. So yeah, they are proper usable pockets on both sides.
Yeah, and then we've got it's closed with a button there. It's got a hook and eye on the other side to keep it all nice and secure. It's got a facing and a facing at the bottom to make it all really neat. An aligned waistband, which gives it, you can just see, little pop of colour. And also the pocket bag is done in a lighter fabric.
Yes, you can see mine's lined as well there. And we've used sort of contrasting cottons on the insides here. Your one's made of denim, which is an 8-ounce denim, isn't it?
Correct, yes, so it's quite a lightweight denim, which is perfect for spring, but actually you can make Harriet in a lot of fabrics. We've gone heavy on cord in the photo shoot. Your one is in corduroy, just like a jumbo cord.
Yes.
You could also do a needle cord.
Yeah, so you're looking for a fabric that's got a bit of structure to really, because we've got the cinched in waist, which gives it the 1950s style, and an A-line skirt. So a fabric with a bit of weight just gives that nice structure.
Yeah, exactly. If you don't have a fabric in your stash, we also have some kits so that you can make this exact skirt. Do you want to grab those
I'll
denims?
show you.
So we've got it in this lovely lighter, I think it's a little bit 90s, this shade of denim.
Yeah, it is, isn't it?
Lighter blue.
Yeah.
And then also in this like really, really classic denim navy colour there.
Yeah. So we've got the two denim colours. They're both the 8-ounce, and there's not any stretch in there. It's just straight denim. And then you also in your kit will get the
Same
contrasting lining fabric. So this will be for the lined waistband and also your pocket bags.
Yeah. And you also get interfacing, and the best actually is you get these really, really pretty pigeon wishes buttons.
Yes.
So there's a lighter one on the lighter denim, and there's a slightly darker one.
Yeah,
darker
I don't know if I
denim,
can try and show you on there.
which just really, really pops in like a plain fabric. I think.
Because it is such a nice feature
Yeah.
when you've just got one button to really choose something that's a little bit special.
Exactly.
And then in the kits, obviously you've got your pattern, you've got your instructions, you've got all the haberdashery, so you'll have your threads, the hook and eye, the interfacing, I think you said as well.
Interfacing.
So everything you need to make it up straight away.
Yeah, and you get the pattern digitally and you get it printed out, so you can start straight away, and then you've got the digital patterns for when you want to make it again and again in the future.
So we've mentioned that it is part of our vintage range, but I think depending on how you style it, it can be sort of.
It's designed to be, depending on your styling, more contemporary or more vintage.
Because I'm wearing it with the Amy shirt, and I think with the pattern choices, I think it has made it a bit more modern.
Yeah.
But I mean, if you were to wear something with like this, even though it's like you said, in the 90s denim, with a nice like Lillian shirt,
Bonnie blouse.
blouse,
Super vintage and really, really pretty. Yeah, you can sort of take it in any direction. I think it's a super wearable skirt. I'm thinking of it with the Stevie slip over as well.
Yes.
The like bit of librarian chic.
Yeah, because
kind of vibe.
So something like the Stevie slip over, and then just like some flat trainers, and then that's kind of like little pop socks. It kind of looks really,
really cute.
really cute, like 50s librarian cute.
I think you could, just wear it every day.
And it's also a good layering piece because it's sort of a midi length.
Yeah.
And obviously, if you wear the nice solid fabric like this, you could put tights on, and put a big jumper over it, and it'd be really warm. But also, t-shirt.
T-shirt as well. Little crop t-shirt would
Yeah.
be super contemporary actually.
Yeah, little crop t-shirt and like just sandals.
Yeah.
And that's quite a nice like
Yeah.
spring.
Good for this time of year.
Yeah.
What else? Oh, we've got 2 new stitch school classes as well. So if you're worried about sewing the work pocket, don't be.
Yeah.
So we've got a class where Rosie takes you through every single step of sewing that work pocket. It's actually a little bit easier than your average work pocket because it's put straight into the seam. Might be a new technique that you've not tried before, so check that out. And then we've also got a new video on how to stitch in the ditch, which is a technique that you can use to get the waistband really nice and neat, but you can also use that so often in sewing. It's a really good technique.
Because that's what I think is really interesting about the construction of this skirt is that, you can see instead of sort of having a side seams here, they're round to the front and in line with both of the pockets there. And also the work pocket is a bit larger than maybe I'm used to seeing on like you get on the back of trousers, because sometimes they can be really fiddly.
Yeah, it's not a tiny fiddly one.
So it's, and obviously you're using a nice stable
fabric. Yeah.
So if you've always wanted to have a go at a work pocket, maybe this is the chance.
It's a good one as well because after the work pocket is done, the construction is really quick and there's not too much to worry about fitting wise because it is a wrap skirt.
Yeah, so it's the cinched in waist, as long as you get your waist measurement.
Exactly.
And then be mindful of the hips of when you're maybe doing 12 first, but it's supposed to go A-line.
Exactly, so it should be plenty roomy. It's available in our full size range, 6 to 30 as normal. The pattern side has already made some really lovely ones, hopefully they'll be popping up. And once you've made your skirt, please tag us on Instagram, #SOI Harriet Skirt.
Yes, and have a look at the hashtag because hopefully there'll be a few popping up and you can see different colours, maybe different stylings and how people are wearing them.
I think we've covered everything.
Yeah, I think we have. So let us know what you think.
Yeah.
And we'll see
We'll
you
see
soon.
you next time. Bye.
Bye.